Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kinohilam ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit haga khatlai tuk leber ara jara phunrio kali banyak kendo yolat ka jilla UCH Vijay Shankar ban pensngau hau haloga jinja badangshan harilom garo hadi magalami ke jing persha nekipai garo yaki wepat ke jai pendriu ki babu haishnang harilom garo banishim benta hag election chaga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nakaliang uno aktien ka BJP ba M Kharkrang hakajinga kram kilar patai kubor ulay thu baka party kalakintu ya ulad ban penlong dakador ba bekerpang kenang banyo yatai yaki edi rule jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bat ki bakwa banyakun yaki election MDC ki bandan yaki sernon Schedule Tribe Ulang baga party kalakintu yulat ke jella buun shim kia mardor halogan gamat kenang berwandra no eksyong sok syongsan harilom garo.
Led by the president of the BJP, Meghalaya BJP, and led by the president and our MLA, Mr. A. Elek, met with the Honorable Governor to impress upon him the unfortunate incidents that has happened in Garo Hills in general and in Tura town in particular. And we had discussed with him the reasons behind these incidents that has happened. And we had also requested the governor to convene a special session of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council whereby he is authorized by the Constitution so that the issue of amending the rules can be taken up that anyone who wants to contest as an MDC from Garo Hills should have a Scheduled Tribe certificate. And we requested the Honorable Governor also to take up this issue at the earliest so that normalcy and peace again prevails in Garo Hills.
I need to say anything about that. He had to study as per the Constitution. After that, only he will take his own
What was his view when you?
No, frankly, government any view. He's taken a neutral view of all the incidents, but he will seek. He will consult the legal experts and all. Then subsequently, that he will take up his decisions. So, governor has not given any commitment. He will take up so that whatever action he does has to stand scrutiny from the legal point of view. Unfortunate incident has happened, and the way that the notification was issued, and subsequently which did not stand the legal scrutiny. So, but the thing is, this council has been there for the last 5 years. These things could have been taken up earlier, but taken up just before the elections. So that raises a lot of questions. Long Chief Minister Assam Chief Minister Jugi Rukit Kya kita ngomong. Dia taken every ulashim lo ke bade bum le. Kun Chief Minister ulale kita kamram ko ju. Tingim la benong bau Chief Minister uklam le ulale kamram ko le kun Chief Minister ulale. Nimdan jing ujo ada hilor gan kita.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finchet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa. Namar kaneka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpinyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendo no. Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kaneka umpinyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.